Welcome everybody, this is John from AAEON in Taipei, here to discuss our relationship with Intel and what we're doing to advance Edge AI across vertical markets. And so at AAEON, we have a deep expertise in the Intel platforms and what they're doing to AI integration, as well as helping customers leverage this technology through our world-class hardware platforms. So in terms of AAEON, when you work with us, you get a company with a global presence and over 30 years of industry experience. We pride ourselves on being agile when it comes to customization for tailoring projects with a low MOQ and a long history of expertise in providing ODM solutions. We have world-class product reliability. So our manufacturing process is AI-driven for our quality control, and we have a closed loop process for testing on every product that we produce. In terms of our portfolio, we have a three-tiered solution, and we begin with the light AI, which we consider to be anything up to 50 TOPS performance based on the Intel Core Ultra platform. This begins with our developer boards and systems, as well as being spread across multiple small single board computer form factors like our Pico, Genie ranges, as well as industrial box PCs for more rugged deployment. In terms of our medium AI, which is 50 to 100 TOPS, we rely on our MXM ACMA module, and this includes integration of the module into things like edge workstations and our larger socket type SBCs. Now for heavy inferencing tasks, we rely on our GAR A750E expansion module, AI accelerator, which is typically deployed on our industrial motherboard range, as well as our expansion PCs and our very first Edge AI server, the Maxa 2100, for extremely detailed and rigorous AI tasks on the edge. And so in terms of our partnership, we collaborate closely with Intel to make sure that our product roadmap aligns with the release of the newest Intel technology to bring this technology in ready for deployment to market faster for our customers. We have a broad aim to increase AI adoption across the board, as well as working with Intel on strategic marketing initiatives, mainly to showcase to our customers the benefits of deploying Intel technology on AAEON hardware across vertical markets.